Nick is coming up to nearly 2.5 years in prison. The kids and I sometimes pop. Nick's father visit every week, trying to keep our family unit together as much as possible. He was given a 12-year sentence for negligence culpable driving, in which 2 people passed away. There was no drugs, no alcohol, and from what we can now determine, there was no speed. So I've taken it upon myself over the last year to actually look at all the evidence that was submitted and all the evidence that wasn't submitted and not disclosed. And from what we can decipher, Nick's been wrongly convicted of a crime which has all the hallmarks of a miscarriage of justice. It's been exhausting. I've had to work on this at nights. I could have fallen down in a heap, but I chose not to. I'm not going to sit there and just let him do his time as people told me to. I'm going to find the truth, and I will do everything that I can. And it has affected me greatly emotionally. It's affected my children, but I just can't let this go. When you're lodging a petition of mercy, everything can go in. So we've got, in totality, we've got 7 main grounds going in. We have grounds that constitute new and relevant evidence. And this new and relevant evidence points to evidence that wasn't disclosed before the courts. I'm feeling a sense of relief because we've checked, we've double checked, we've triple checked all our evidence, our findings, everything. We know we're pretty solid on this. Justice in its sense, I know Nick, always have believed that truth will eventually prevail. The thing is, we didn't understand the way in which the system works, and I'm pretty sure a lot of other people can appreciate this that have entered into this system. I dare say when we lodge this petition of mercy, the families of the deceased won't be happy about it, but that's a given. I mean, it was an absolute tragedy that occurred, but at the end of the day, this was a tragedy that just didn't affect 2 families. It affected 3 families. There's no winners here. This isn't a competition, this is not a game. This is somebody's life, this is my husband's life, this is my life, this is my kids' life, and it's also their lives. But the truth needs to come out. And unfortunately, I need to, even though it's going to be an unhappy situation, it has to come out. At the end of the day, Nick is an extremely loved father, he's a loved husband, he's a loved son, he's a loved son-in-law. He has an amazing relationship with my father, he has an amazing relationship with his dad. He's a brilliant dad. He's a very loved person. He's in a bad spot at the moment. So I'm going to pick him up and dust him off and we'll keep going. Some days it's really, really hard.